This video will show you how to assemble Uline's Metro L desks with adjustable height return. This video walks through the assembly of a 60 by 72-inch L desk. While you may have a different size L desk, steps to assemble are similar. Here are the tools needed for assembly. Assemble on a smooth, non-marring surface to prevent scratching. Ensure the leveling feet are attached on the bottom corners of each leg frame. Begin by attaching the leg frames to the modesty panel. Place the unit onto its feet and attach the panel connectors to the modesty panel. With a second person, place the desktop upside down. Align the leg frame connectors with the holes in each corner of the desktop. Fasten the leg frame connectors to the corners of the desktop. With two people, carefully lift the desktop over the assembled frame and align the holes in the frame with holes in the leg frame connectors. Attach the leg frame connectors to the leg frame. Attach the modesty panel connectors to the desktop. Note, do not fully tighten until all bolts are attached. To assemble the L desk return and adjustable height base, place the lifting columns and center frame upside down on a smooth, non-marring surface. Attach each lifting column to the center frame. Attach the feet with the lifting columns. Attach the top support brackets into the ends of the center frame. With a second person, place the return desktop upside down. Place the assembled base on top of the return desktop with brackets extending from the lifting columns facing the grommet hole. Determine whether the L desk will be set up for right-hand or left-hand configuration. This will impact whether the set of holes in the left or right side of the return desktop will be used to attach to the base. Attach the assembled base to the return desktop and tighten all bolts. To assemble the L desk return frame, attach the leg frames to the modesty panel. Attach Z connectors on the side of the return modesty panel. Then, attach support brackets to the holes in the top edge of the return modesty panel. If assembling a right-hand configuration, bolts should be attached to the right side of the slotted holes. For left-hand configuration, bolts should be attached to the left side of the slotted holes. Note, holes in the modesty panel support brackets are slotted to allow for a small gap between the main desktop and the return desktop. With two people, attach the return frame to the adjustable height base. Attach the foot bracket to the return leg frame and foot. Attach the programmable handset to the front edge of the return desktop. Plug the programmable handset cable, lifting columns cables, and power cord into the control box. Using two people holding both the return desktop and adjustable height base, flip the assembled return onto its feet. Position the adjustable height return next to the desk. Attach the Z connectors to the inside of the desk's leg. Plug in the power cord into a standard 120-volt outlet. Raise and lower the return top to ensure proper alignment. If there are alignment issues, raise the return top and loosen the modesty panel support bracket bolts. Align the return top with the desktop and re-tighten bolts. Now that your desk is assembled, please tighten all bolts. Insert leg caps into the sides of leg frames and the top center edge of the return modesty panel. Insert two hole caps into the top of the return leg frame. Place cable clips in a desired location to neatly organize cables underneath the return desktop. Cable clips can be attached using adhesive or screws. The L desk with adjustable height return is now completely assembled. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.